If you use this remedy, you can brighten up your skin and your body parts within just 3 days. So let's start it. So to make this remedy, for this, first of all we need gram flour. So take 3 tablespoons of gram flour. And then add pinch of turmeric powder. Friends, before going further, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Now our next ingredients is milk. So take a little quantity of milk to make this paste. Mix all these ingredients very well. Friends, we use gram flour in it, and gram flour helps for the skin to remove impurities and prevent breakouts or pimples by clearing the pores of your skin. Friends, the gram flour has great tan removal properties. Gram flour exfoliates the skin without causing any irritation on the skin. Friends, we also add turmeric powder in it. Turmeric powder has so many benefits for the skin. It heals the skin wound and also removes the blemishes. Now let me tell you that how you will apply it. First of all, wash your body part or your skin where you want to apply it. Then apply a little quantity of it. And scrub it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then leave it to become dry. When it's become fully dry, then wash your face or your hands where you had applied it, and now you can see how glowing is my skin.